Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a September OCEANISTA box. I have done one other OCEANISTA unboxing and I loved everything in that box. I've been using the products all summer. The box is dedicated to a beach lifestyle. This is a seasonal box and it is $89 a season, but you get like over $200 worth of products in here. So let's open it up and see what it is. First of all, I just love the packaging on this with the stamp and everything. I just picked this up from the post office. They did send this to me. And then here is the actual beautiful box that it comes in. And this box is customizable. So they will ask you, you know, your clothing size and shoe size and your skin tone and things like that. So I have no idea what's going to be in this box, but I am very excited to find out. Good Golly Miss Bali is the fall theme. Okay, so we have a little booklet that will, let's see, we've got some information about the products, so I'm gonna hang on to this. Last time I think there was a recipe for this really delicious salad that I made. Talulah. Let's see what's in here. Cute little bag. Oh. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Wow. It's a little purse. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. How cute is this? I absolutely love this. Wow, what a neat little item. They did say that a lot of the stuff in these boxes is exclusive to OCEANISTA. So it's not like you're gonna have a lot of crossover if you get other subscription boxes. Ooh, this looks, oh, it's like a little tunic. Oh wow, this is really pretty. And it has a little like tie on the back so you can tighten it. That's cute. And it's slit on the sides, but it's also sewn on the sides, so you could wear it, you know, just as a top. It's not like something, you know, or over your bathing suit or whatever. That's really lovely. Am I showing you properly? Look how cute this is. It feels really nice too. It's like a soft, very lightweight kind of a material. Oh wow, this is really pretty. There's some artwork in here. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? And then we've got some other little things over here. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, that's cute. A little tassel necklace. It's kind of long. I wonder if I could like double up the, oh yeah, totally. There we go. There we go, now it's not so long. That's really pretty though. Chromatic eyeshadow from Doucce. Looks like a palette. Oh, that's super pretty. Look at these colors. Those are nice beachy colors, right? Isn't that pretty? And you can take these out too. They're like magnetic pans, so you can build your own palette or switch it up however you want. This is really cute though, and I like the little compact size, and it comes with a little brush inside, a nice mirror. And then what is this? Crystal-Infused Healing Mist, made with volcanic spring water, cleansed with energetic healing, and infused with crystal energy. Shall I spray it into my aura? All right, that's nice. I like it. What a fun product. Balinese chicken satay. I'm totally gonna make that. Coming winter, Melekaliki Maka, Merry Christmas in Hawaiian. Ooh, I'm excited about that box. Wow, what a fun box. Some really interesting and unique products in here. I'm really excited about all of this stuff. All right, well, I will leave my referral link in the description box if you guys want to check this out. I think it is a beautifully curated box. If you love ocean-themed things, I think this is awesome, and it would make an amazing gift. It's just, I don't know, I think it's just so beautifully curated. Some really amazing products in here. And like I said, I've been using almost everything from my last box. So anyway, all of that information will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!